it is Son. Yeah, Perisic at the front post.
Yeah, exactly.
Son's there. Flicked on by Perisic.
Yes! Come on! Yes! Boom, 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 boom!
Set pieces!
Boom!
It's a goal from the Gianni Vio playbook.
Oh,
It's a big goal for
Gianni
Perisic.
Vio!
It's a Kane header on the back post.
Gianni
Spurs have the lead.
Vio! Come on!
And we deserved it in the second half.
But I'm not. Sunny with the corner. It's a bad one. Flick on. Harry Kane! Yes! Yes! Tottenham! Harry fucking Kane! The 1,000th goal!
What the f...
Oh, it's a flick on.
Oh!
Harry Kane! Goal number 1,000 for Tottenham at home in the
Number
Premier League.
1,000. Who did it?
Now a record breaker as well. 185 goals, most Premier League goals for one club in Premier League history, and he's one of our own. He's one of our own. Harry Kane. He's one of our own.
Oh, and it's Harry Kane with the goal on the far post, unmarked. 1-0 Spurs. Wolves caught sleeping inside their own area. Again, it's a set-piece goal, another set-piece goal.
Ayup. Ayup! Oh no!
What is it?
Goal. Good goal as well. Goal for Spurs. Harry Kane. And it's the corners have looked their best way of scoring goals, and Spurs have done what I thought they were going to do.
Son with the corner. Oh, it's such a shit corner. No, it's not! Perisic! No, it's not. I said it's such a poor corner. Perisic heads it on. Harry Kane back post, unmarked, in the back of the net. It is 1-0 to Spurs.